in food and drink for about 4 or so years now, and it is one of the most agile sectors I've ever encountered. So I've worked in various trade publications, but you only have to look at what we've experienced in the last few years and how the industry has reacted. It's an incredibly innovative, dynamic, and thriving area of journalism to be involved in. And I'm so glad to be a part of it. The big issue at the moment is climate change. Now, whilst that's something many consumers will be hearing about, they may not be so familiar with the impact severe weather conditions can have on food safety. So I'm not just talking about failed harvests here. As climates are changing, we're going to see the presence of toxins also increasing. So there was a study, I think it was from Michigan State University, which found that between 2032 and 2040, toxins are going to become a huge issue in the US Corn Belt, in the Midwest, for example. All these weather events, from soaring temperatures to floods, they're going to have a huge influence on our food systems, on the food safety worldwide. Foodex is the UK trade event for food and drink manufacturing. It's a great opportunity to learn more about what's happening in the sector, get to meet innovators, witness new exciting products, and obviously food manufacture is going to be returning with its stage again. We've got a whole host of amazing topics for attendees to soak up, everything from inspiring new recruits to creating harmonious eco-labels. It's just going to be a wonderful, wonderful few days. Last thing to say is obviously subscribe to Food Manufacturer, get all of your updates, your news on food and drink, and we'll see you at the show. Looking forward to meeting you.